Another problem I have is the seat won't stay in the same position. When I start to get cut and then move around, it wants to slide forward and back. And I need it to stay stationary. So let's fix that. More than likely it's right here. There should be a spring that pushes down on it to keep it from getting out of position, and I don't think that spring is there anymore. So let's take it apart and see if we can't check out that spring. Yeah, you can see it right here. This goes in and out and locks the seat into those positions. There's just the one bolt that holds the seat on. And then there's a little metal clip right here that keeps it from going too far forward and coming out. There's an emergency cutoff switch underneath the seat that turns the lawnmower off if you're not sitting on it. And that's what I'm unplugging right now. And there's our spring. It seems to be in place. I guess I will. There's some rust on this spring, but there doesn't seem to be anything wrong with it. Stretch it out a little bit so it's tauter. There's the raised plastic circle that the spring goes over, and that's all that keeps it there. And then the latch fits in a groove and the spring pushes down on it. The metal plate that the seat sits on has 3 openings that the seat has to get into before it slides back. It can be quite difficult keeping the locking mechanism in place while you try to line the seat up with those 3 tabs that it has to fit into on that metal plate. I'll go ahead and put this large washer and attach this nut that will keep the seat from accidentally coming off of the metal plate. And these are the 3 spots on the seat that go onto that metal plate. And here are the 3 spots that they have to line up and fit into. So now you know what to do if your seat won't stay stationary. Check that spring on there and make sure it's not rusted through or lost. And make sure it goes down like it ought to. Now I can slide the seat forward a little bit and it'll lock back in place. Well, this was another short one on the how to fix your lawnmowers. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, check out this playlist, and I'll see you in that next video.